Let's now move to Pakistan's Balochistan province, which is facing a grave crisis with the ongoing issue of enforced disappearances. Under the cover of night, students, activists and ordinary citizens are forcibly abducted by state authorities, leaving their families in desperate uncertainty. These disappearances are not mere acts of intimidation, but calculated efforts to stifle dissent and exert control. The government's failure to address these cases have drawn severe criticism, intensifying regional conflicts and posing significant risk for Pakistan's stability. Take a look.
In the rugged landscapes of Balochistan, a haunting shadow lurks behind the region's political strife and simmering unrest: the issue of enforced disappearances. Under the cover of darkness, individuals, students, activists and ordinary citizens are wrenched from their homes or workplaces, vanishing without a trace. These abductions are not carried out by mere criminals, but by forces cloaked in authority, the security agencies, intelligence operatives and paramilitary groups of the state. Families are left in a state of agonizing uncertainty, their pleas for information often met with silence or denial. The victims are detained in undisclosed locations, deprived of legal representation and contact with their loved ones. This clandestine operation is more than just an act of intimidation. It is a calculated strategy to suppress dissent and maintain control. In Pakistan's poorest province of Balochistan, these disappearances are not isolated incidents, but a pervasive scourge that feeds on fear and stifles the cries for justice. The region is witnessing significant protests and demonstrations, with activists and families of the missing uniting to demand the release of the disappeared and to highlight the ongoing human rights abuses in Balochistan.
ये लोग आकर रखते हैं, यहाँ पे आकर बैठते हैं और इनमें इजाफा होता जा रहा है, ये कम नहीं हो रहे हैं। अगर मेरी आवाज बलूचिस्तान के कोने कोने तक पहुंच रही है, मैं तमाम लापता अफराद के लायकीन से ये अपील करती हूँ कि वो बाहर आए, अपने प्यारों के केसेस को रजिस्टर करे, पुरअमन तरीके से एहतजाज करे, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे।
Numerous activists, journalists and ordinary citizens have gone missing in Balochistan, often alleged to be abducted by security forces or other state actors. The government's failure to conduct thorough investigations or account for the missing has drawn widespread criticism. Reports of extrajudicial killings by security forces have further intensified distrust between the Baloch population and the state.
ये दो का पास फरेबी रियासत, फरेबी इसकी आर्मी जब मुंह की खाती है तो उसके बाद नियत लापता अफराद को फेक इनकाउंटर्स में कत्ल करती है। मैं आप सबसे गुजारिश करती हूँ, लापता अफराद के लवाकिन से गुजारिश करती हूँ कि वो अपने प्यारों की गुमशुदगी पर खामोश नहीं रहें। और इसी तरह जिनके प्यारों को अगर ये लोग फेक इनकाउंटर में भी कत्ल करते हैं, उसके बाद भी उनको आना चाहिए, उनको एहतजाज करना चाहिए और बताना चाहिए, इस रियासत की आर को बताना चाहिए कि ये किस तरह निहत्ते लापता अफराद को मार रही है।
In Balochistan, the cycle of enforced disappearances and human rights abuses has exacerbated violent conflicts between separatist groups and security forces. Ignoring these pressing issues could have a serious political and social repercussions for Pakistan.